Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to freeze rows and columns in Google Sheets. So this is useful if you want to see the titles for the rows and columns as you scroll and move through a document without having to constantly go back and look at them. So let's start with rows. To freeze a row, you would select the row like this, and then you would right click, and then you go down. You're going to see this menu here. You're going to go all the way down to the bottom, view more row actions. You're going to say freeze up to row one. Now, what you'll see here is this thick gray line. And what happens is as we scroll, you can see row one doesn't move with the rest. So if I'm down here all the way at row 32, I can see, okay, 5 is in column X because I've frozen row one. Now let's say you want to freeze a column. So to do this, you would select the column like so, just like with the row, right click, and you go all the way down to the bottom, view more column actions, freeze up to column A. Now you'll notice we have both frozen. So this is a really cool thing that you can do. And now as I scroll to the right, column A is frozen. So I can see, okay, 2 is in X, also in Z, and then 4 is in Y. So this is really useful as you get into larger and larger sets of data. Obviously, if your data only goes down to like row 23, you're not going to need to freeze it because you can still see what's up here. But I can tell you from experience, it's very useful to have as your data sets get bigger. So I hope you found this helpful. And if you did and enjoyed the video, feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks.